Welcome to Little Edo. Today we're going on an adventure, and you know how much I love adventures, especially when they involve delicious food. Beautiful places. We're leaving the bright lights and towering skyscrapers of Tokyo behind for just a little while. Where are we going? We're taking a short trip back in time to a wonderful town called Kawagoe. It's just a stone's throw from the big city, but it feels like a whole different world. I get so excited just thinking about it. You can almost feel the history in the air, can't you? It's like stepping onto a movie set, but it's all real. You might hear people call Kawagoe another name, Little Edo. Edo is the old name for Tokyo, from a time long ago when shoguns and samurai were around. Kawagoe has kept that old-timey feeling alive. The streets are lined with amazing dark wooden buildings that have stood for centuries. You can almost picture merchants in traditional clothes calling out to customers. It's a living museum. It's a chance to see Japan before neon signs and bullet trains. Isn't that just magical? Okay, first things first, how do we get to this amazing place? You might think Tokyo travel is complicated, but I promise, a piece of cake, or a piece of mochi. There are a couple of super easy ways to get to Kawagoe. They're both part of the adventure. My favorite, the Tobu Tojo line. Catch it at Ikebukuro Station, a straight shot, direct train, no changes. Hop on, find a comfy seat, watch the city fade to suburbs. About 30 minutes to go back in time. Faster than a time machine. Another option, the Seibu Shinjuku line from Seibu Shinjuku Station near Shinjuku. A bit longer, 45 to 60 minutes. But who's counting? You're on vacation. Look out the window at everyday Japan. School children in uniforms. Tiny neighborhood gardens. Different house styles. A cultural experience before you even arrive. Both lines offer tourist discount passes. Round-trip fare included, sometimes local buses too. A great deal. Arrive at Kawagoe Station, or Kawagoshi Station. You're there. You've made it. Take a moment. Look around. It's a 15-20 minute flat walk to the historic area. Great to get your bearings. Modern shops slowly start to look older. It's a countdown to history. If walking feels like too much, there's a bus. The Kyo-Edo Loop bus stops at stations, Kurazukuri Street, Kitine. Buy a one-day hop-on, hop-off pass. It's convenient, it's cute, saves your energy for eating and exploring, so no excuses. Getting to and around Kawagoe is simple and fun. Alright, we've arrived. Let's start with the main event, Kurazukuri Street. This is the heart and soul of Little Edo, wide of the street with black plastered facades, ornate heavy roof tiles, intricate wood and plaster designs, weathered textures, history seeping out, shops spill from the ground floors, beautiful crafts, textiles, delicious food, slow-walking POV, soaking it all in. Look up, look down, carvings, old signage, cobbled streets, everywhere you look, details. The Toki no cane. It still rings 4 times a day, 6 a.m., noon, 3 p.m., and 6 p.m. You'll hear it. It's a sound that connects you to the past, not a recording, a real bell ringing as it did in the Edo period. It's moments like these, simple, authentic experiences, that make travel special. It's just beautiful. Just off the main street is Kashiya Yokocho. That means Candy Alley, an entire alley of old-fashioned Japanese sweets and snacks. The air is sweet, with burnt sugar and roasting rice crackers. It's a wonderland for kids, and kids at heart like me. Fugashi sticks, colorful rice crackers, sweet potato candies, and treats I've never seen before. Be adventurous. I love pointing at something interesting and giving it a try. The shopkeepers are so friendly and love seeing you enjoy their creations. I tried sweet potato chips, freshly made and still warm, crispy, sweet, a little salty, perfection. Kids running, everyone smiling, pure simple joy in a little alley. This is what traveling is all about. After all that sugar, let's go for a peaceful walk to a very special place, Kawagoe Hikawa Shrine. This isn't just any shrine, it's known for matchmaking and happy relationships. It's over 1,500 years old. Can you imagine? Walk through the giant wooden torii and the town's sounds melt away. Surrounded by tall, old trees, peace washes over you. People pray for love, a happy marriage, and to give thanks for family. Ima are wooden plaques for wishes. Here they form a long, winding tunnel. In summer, thousands of glass wind chimes sway and fill the air with beautiful sound. Enchanting. Next, Kitane Temple. directly connected to old Edo Castle. After a great fire, the shogun donated castle buildings to be rebuilt here. These halls are rooms where shoguns once lived and worked. Incredible. See the rooms and painted screens, and imagine the history right beneath your feet. Goosebumps, the good kind. Don't expect a towering Osaka or Himeji. Most is gone. But the Honmaru Goten remains. The inner palace, the lord's living quarters, the only building of its kind left in this region. Peek into audience chambers and feel feudal life. Quiet, dignified, and fascinating. Okay, the most important part, food. Kawagoe is famous for two things. First, sweet potatoes, roasted, chips, ice cream, even sweet potato coffee, and Koedo Beniaka sweet potato beer. Don't leave without a sweet potato treat. My law. The other specialty, unagi. Charcoal grilled, glazed with sweet savory sauce, served over fluffy rice, tender, melt in your mouth. Historic unagi restaurants have perfected it for generations. A meal you'll remember forever. Grab hand-painted candles, textiles, beautiful chopsticks, and sweet potato treats. Wear comfy shoes, bring some cash. Be open and curious, smile, try new things. Kawagoe is a delicious, beautiful, heartwarming escape from Tokyo.